Welcome, welcome, welcome. Yes, guys, we are back again, and look at that. Look at that. You're wondering what that is, right? So, guys, we are here with a lobster video for you guys, and we've rolled up this baby. So, yes, and we've already seasoned this with our mother seasoning. So, if you know, you know. And we've added some chopped scallion to it, and I'm just gonna cut the bag, right, guys? Yes, look at that. That's what I want. I'm just gonna cut the bag, right? And then I'm going to remove this, right? Look at that. I'm just gonna carefully take my time and remove this. Look at that, guys. Yes. So now to get the drift, so I'm gonna catch in the back when I'm going to submerge this into the oil so forward. Yes, guys, our oil is at the right temperature, so we're just gonna submerge this lobster. Look at that, guys. Yes, guys, and I'm going to add some bay leaf and a sprung of rosemary. You don't know, flavor equals taste, and that we want over here, right?
Yes, guys, and I'm gonna make this sear and she tell us
3 to 5 minutes.
And I sear it all around to seal all edges. So
yes, guys.
So we want to maintain the cylindrical shape, guys. So we so forward again when you give this a turn.
So forward. Yes, guys, it's that time again, so I'm just going to give it a quick turn. Yes, guys, and I'm just going to place it on this side. Look at that, guys. Beautiful, right? Yes, guys. Nice like how we want it. Look at that. Drop it down in the comment section. What is your favorite seafood? And keep that comment going, right? So forward again. Yes, guys, so this is it. It's a little bit opening up. We didn't want that, but you don't know. That's how it goes, right? So yes, don't know, coming along nice, and I love the sear, nice and beautiful. Look at that, guys. So yes, so when we see you guys again, it's time for the banger plating. So ready up your quick thinking and your quick fingers to spam up that comment section, guys. So come again. Yes, guys, removal time, but first look at this here. Beautiful, guys. Look at that. Nice and beautiful. Removal time. So drop them comments. And if you've made it this far and you haven't liked the video yet, remember, drop the like down below. Subscribe if you haven't already. So forward.
So forward.
Something wrong with the video? Yeah, something wrong with the video because you don't like it, you don't subscribe yet, you don't drop that banger comment there yet, so I give you 1 minute to do that. Supposed to do that now? Alright, we could get into the video. Yes, guys, so from a see the plate, start drop the banger comments them cause you don't know what time it is, guys. Oh yes, look at that. Coming along with that big boy. You know the song? You wanna chill with the big boy? This is it right here, guys. What you think we're going to come with now? Yes, guys. Your veggies are important. So, have to have it, right? Right there. Look at that. The plate cannot be completed without garnishing. Look at that, guys. Tell me what you think. Yes, guys, I'm just going to fix the plate. Beautiful, right? So yes, guys, there you have it. Look at that. Beautiful, right? Just take the time to admire the plating, guys. Looks really good, right? Remember, follow our socials. We are new on TikTok. Follow us over there. Pictures will be posted on our Instagram. Remember, if you see it, you want it, no problem. Just call us, right? Yes, guys. So until next time, bye foodies.
Bang, bang, boom.
Remember, guys, give us a call, DM us on Instagram. We can talk all business over there, right?